This is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this device through its settings. So at the start, you will need to launch the device's settings app. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and enter the system category. Now go into the reset options, select Erase All Data Factory Reset, then press Erase All Data, input your screen lock if you have one set, so in my case there is a pattern, so I gotta draw it real quick. And now to confirm that you, still would like to hard reset your device, just note that all your data and files will be erased, so if you have anything of importance, do not forget to back it up beforehand. So now once you're ready, just tap at the Erase All Data button and allow a few minutes for this process to be finished all the way, and you'll know that your device has been indeed factory reset by the fact that you'll see the initial system setup interface or the phone configuration prompt. So let's wait for this page to appear and we'll know that we did everything right. And here it is. Here is the initial setup page. So from here, you will be able to configure your device and personalize it, for yourself, which we have a separate video on. So if you'll need any assistance with the device setup, check another video out. But as far as this one goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.